Peacock promo codes. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. In today's video I'm going to give you some of the Peacock promo codes which you can use in order to get the best streaming experience on Peacock. For that you just have to come to this website that is called coupons.com, and here in the search bar you need to search for Peacock. Now once you are able to find the Peacock TV, you just have to simply click on it. Now as you can see that here we have 33 available coupon codes for August 2024. So you just have to simply select the coupon code in which you are interested. Most probably you want to get this 50% discount on every Peacock plans. So you just have to simply click on see coupons, and then it will show you the coupon code. So you just have to copy this code from here and then go to store. After that it will redirect you on peacocktv.com, where you need to click on the sign in button in the top right hand corner and provide your email address and press continue. After that you just have to simply create your account on it, or if you already have an account then you can even sign in into your account. Then you just have to click on pick a plan and it will show you all of the plans that you can avail on Peacock TV. So you just have to choose any of the plans that you are interested in, and at the time of checkout you just have to use the coupon code that we have just copied from coupons.com. After that you need to just make the payment, and this way you will be able to get the Peacock TV coupon code. So if this video was helpful to you, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.